Hey photography enthusiasts! Are you tired of carrying multiple lenses? Want the versatility of a DSLR without the bulk? Ever wondered if there's a perfect all-in-one camera that can capture everything from stunning landscapes to distant wildlife? Well, you're in for a treat as we dive deep into the world of bridge cameras, the Swiss Army knives of photography. 7. Canon PowerShot SX70. The Canon PowerShot SX70 is a remarkable entry-level bridge camera that packs quite a punch. During my testing, I found its 65x optical zoom range, 21 to 365mm equivalent, to be incredibly versatile for both wide landscapes and distant subjects. The 20.3 megapixel CMOS sensor, paired with the Digic 8 processor, delivers crisp images in good lighting conditions. What really impressed me was the camera's compact form factor. It's surprisingly lightweight for a bridge camera. The fully articulating LCD screen makes shooting from creative angles a breeze, while the electronic viewfinder provides clear image preview even in bright sunlight. The image stabilization system works effectively up to about 3.5 stops, which is particularly helpful when shooting at longer focal lengths. However, I noticed some image quality degradation in low light situations, especially at higher ISO settings. 4K video recording capabilities are decent, though the 30 FPS limit might disappoint some videographers. The autofocus system performs admirably for static subjects, but can hunt a bit with moving targets. Battery life is respectable, lasting around 325 shots per charge during my testing sessions. The camera also features built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for easy image sharing. Number 6. Nikon COOLPIX P950. The P950 stands out with its incredible 83x optical zoom range. Testing this beast was an adventure. The 24 to 2000mm equivalent focal length range opens up a world of creative possibilities. The 16 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor might seem modest on paper, but it delivers solid image quality. The dual detect optical VR vibration reduction system is a standout feature. During my bird photography sessions, it helped maintain stability even at extreme zoom levels. The camera's raw shooting capability allows for greater post-processing flexibility. Video capabilities include 4K 30p recording with clean HDMI output. The autofocus system is reliable in good light, though it can struggle in dimmer conditions. The electronic viewfinder is bright and detailed, making composition a pleasure. Build quality is robust, though the camera feels somewhat bulky. The grip is well designed, providing secure handling during extended shooting sessions. The control layout is intuitive, with customizable buttons for quick access to frequently used settings. One minor drawback is the relatively slow maximum aperture at the telephoto end, which can limit shooting options in low light. However, the moonshot mode and other specialized features make up for this limitation. 5. Sony DSC-RX10 III. The RX10 III represents a significant leap in bridge camera technology. During my testing, the standout feature was its remarkable 24 to 600mm f2.44 Zeiss Vario Sonartise lens. The 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor produces exceptional image quality that holds up even under critical examination. What impressed me most was the lens's performance throughout its zoom range. At 24mm, landscape shots show excellent corner-to-corner sharpness, while the 600mm reach allows for stunning wildlife photography. The constant f2.4 aperture delivers beautiful bokeh and excellent low-light performance. The 4K video capabilities are outstanding, with full pixel readout and no pixel binning. During video shoots, I found the built-in ND filter particularly useful for maintaining proper exposure in bright conditions. The super slow motion feature, capable of up to 960 FPS, opens up creative possibilities. Build quality is exceptional, with a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body that feels robust in hand. The ergonomics are well thought out, though the camera is relatively heavy at 195 grams. The tilting LCD screen is bright and clear, complemented by a high-resolution electronic viewfinder. One minor drawback is the somewhat complex menu system, which takes time to master. However, the customizable function buttons help streamline operation once configured to your preferences. 4. Panasonic LUMIX FZ1002. The FZ1002 proves itself as a versatile all-rounder. The 16x optical zoom, 25 to 400 mm equivalent, might seem modest compared to some competitors, but the Leica DC Vario Elmerit lens delivers exceptional sharpness and contrast. During my field testing, the 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor consistently produced images with excellent detail and natural colors. The Venus engine processor handles noise remarkably well, maintaining clean images up to ISO 3200. The autofocus system is blazingly fast, making it ideal for action photography. The 12 FPS burst shooting capability, combined with Panasonic's depth from defocus technology, resulted in an impressive hit rate when photographing fast-moving subjects. Video features are comprehensive, including 4K recording at 30 FPS and Full HD at up to 120 fps. The built-in 5-axis hybrid OIS, optical image stabilization, works effectively for both stills and video, particularly useful when shooting handheld at longer focal lengths. Battery life is solid, lasting around 440 shots per charge during my testing. The fully articulating touchscreen and intuitive menu system make operation a pleasure. 3. Nikon COOLPIX P1000. The P1000 is simply mind-blowing with its unprecedented 125 banks optical zoom range, 24 to 3000 mm equivalent. Testing this camera was an extraordinary experience. Being able to photograph the craters on the moon handheld is something special. The 16-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor might not win any resolution contests, but it's well matched to the extreme zoom range. The dual detect VR system is crucial here, providing up to 5 stops of stabilization, which I found essential when shooting at extreme telephoto lengths. Image quality is impressive at shorter focal lengths, though there's some inevitable softening at the extreme end of the zoom range. The dedicated moon and bird watching modes are more than just gimmicks. They genuinely help in specialized shooting situations. 4K video recording adds versatility, though the contrast detect AF system can hunt during video recording. The fully articulating screen and high-resolution EVF make composition comfortable at any angle. The trade-off for this incredible zoom range is size and weight. At 415 grams, it's more akin to a DSLR with a telephoto lens. However, considering it replaces several heavy lenses, it's a reasonable compromise. Number 2. Sony RX100 VII. Don't let its compact size fool you. The RX100 VII is a powerhouse. During my testing, this pocket marvel consistently delivered professional quality results. The 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor, combined with the 24 to 200 mm equivalent f2.8 to 4.5 Zeiss lens, provides remarkable versatility. The autofocus system is perhaps the most impressive feature, with 357 phase detection points covering 68% of the frame. Real-time tracking and IAF work brilliantly. I achieved a near-perfect hit rate even with unpredictable subjects. Video capabilities are outstanding, offering 4K recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning. The addition of a microphone jack makes this a serious vlogging tool. The new active steady shot stabilization works wonders for handheld video. The pop-up EVF is bright and clear, while the tilting touchscreen adds shooting flexibility. Despite its small size, the controls are well placed and customizable. The only real challenge is the somewhat slippery body, though this is easily solved with the optional grip. Battery life is modest at around 260 shots per charge, but the USB-C charging capability means you can easily top up on the go. 1. Sony CyberShot RX10 IV. The crown jewel of bridge cameras, the RX10 IV represents the pinnacle of what's possible in this category. The 20.1 megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor, combined with the Bion ZX processor, delivers exceptional image quality that rivals some interchangeable lens cameras. During my extensive testing, the 24-600mm f2.4 Zeiss Vario Sonar T lens proved to be a masterpiece. The constant f2.44 aperture range provides excellent low-light performance and beautiful bokeh throughout the zoom range. The highlight has to be the hybrid autofocus system with 315 phase detection points. Tracking moving subjects is a dream. I achieved a remarkable hit rate photographing birds in flight and sports events. The 24 FPS burst shooting with continuous AF/AE tracking is simply unmatched in the bridge camera segment. Video performance is equally impressive, with 4K recording at 30p and Full HD at up to 120p for stunning slow-motion footage. The S-Log2 and S-Log3 gamma profiles provide excellent flexibility for color grading. The weather-sealed magnesium alloy body feels incredibly robust, while the thoughtfully designed grip ensures comfortable handling during long shooting sessions. Battery life is excellent, lasting around 400 shots per charge with mixed usage. There you have it, folks, our top 7 bridge cameras. If you have any question, feel free to comment below.